Hi, welcome to ChatGPT with Excel. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Microsoft Excel more efficiently using ChatGPT. But what is ChatGPT, you might ask? This is a natural processing artificial intelligence made by OpenAI, which greatly helps generate any kinds of responses based on what we need. So in this video, we will be tackling examples using both simple and a little advanced functions in Microsoft Excel with the help of ChatGPT. Here are the functions that we will be using. Sum, profits, you'll be solving for the profits, if, left and right, date if, network days, you will extract email names, you will be using VLOOKUP, SUMIF, and COUNTIF. So let's get started. First, for sum, let's start with some basic math here. So we would like to solve for the total salaries of Anne, Bob, and Kathy. Okay, let's say we have zero knowledge about how to work with this computation, so let's use ChatGPT to help us. So let's go to ChatGPT on this website. This screen should appear. All right, so now we can simply send a message or ask any question at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so in the text box, type write a Microsoft Excel function. Okay, write a Microsoft Excel function that adds cells. Let's check again. That was D8. Okay, D8 to D10. Okay, and you can hit enter. Okay, now ChatGPT is generating a response. So here's the given formula here. Okay, so again, you can type the following formula or copy rather. Let's go back to our spreadsheet and paste it in the cell. Okay, and there we have it. We have the sum of the total salaries here. Pretty easy, right? Okay. Next up, we have another simple example where we have to calculate the profits of each row. As you may all know, you can simply solve for profit by subtracting the expenses or costs from your sales. Okay, that's how you get profit basically. Okay, sales minus cost here. Okay, so let's now go to ChatGPT to see how to write the formula. So write a Microsoft Excel function that subtracts D8 from C8. Enter. Okay, so we have the formula here. It's just simply equal C8, the hyphen D8. That's how we have formula. Let's copy it and paste it onto our spreadsheet. Okay, so that's the profit. And we can use this fill handle here to quickly copy the same formula to the cells below. So that's how we can automatically fill the other cells. And there you go, everything's correct. Okay, so that's it for profits. Now let's move on to something a little more advanced, but I'm sure we can get the hang of it. Now this is how to use the if function. Okay, so here I have some data on staff salaries. So in this column, I want to calculate whether the particular salary is over the grade maximum. So if the salary is greater than the grade maximum, then this cell should give me a yes. Otherwise, like here, 1,300 is less than 1,500, so it gives me a no. Okay, but let's ask ChatGPT for a formula on how to do this. So let's take this out first. Okay, so let's start a new conversation and type here, write a Microsoft Excel function. If cell D6 is less than F6, then the value should be no. Otherwise, the value should be yes. Enter. So ChatGPT gave me this formula that we can use. Let's copy this. Here's a short explanation below. Now let's paste it onto our cell, and again, let's use the, oh, sorry about this. We've input the wrong cells, but no worries, we can just drag this down or change the given cells in the formula. Okay, so it gave us a yes, that's correct. Let's drag the fill handle down, and everything seems correct. So far, we have already done the sum and if functions with the help of ChatGPT. These popular functions are both useful in handling data, as the sum function can be used to quickly solve for the total amount, which is highly useful in solving for the sum of total salaries, quantity of orders, and other numerical values. On the other hand, the if function can be used to make logical comparisons by returning values based on the given condition or criteria. For the next parts, we'll be tackling other Excel functions with the help of ChatGPT. See you in the next video.